Today I'm going to be reviewing Sluss Wallow two-piece silver piercing ball grabber. These have 4 prongs on them. They are tiny, so if you can just see how tiny they are, right? They feel a little chintzy, but actually they do what you need to do. If you push it on this little lever here, that gets it to work. I just have a few stones here. I'm going to go gem hunting, and I wanted something to be able to pick up. So I just want to give you some different sizes. That's about there. I mean, if you found a diamond like that, you'd be pretty happy. This is a really tiny thing, so you can see, you can still grip it. If you go too small, like this, it kind of sucks it up into it. So that's not going to be good. But any decent size stone that you'd be looking at, that's what it looks like right there. Not very, it's not a diamond right there. And there's 2 of these. Nothing special. There's actually no reviews. And if you push it, that's what happens. It gets stuck. So again, they feel a little chintzy, but I think it's going to do exactly what I need. If you're looking for something like I was to pick up gems in a pile just to look at, these will do what you want. Like I said, there's no reviews for them. So I'd give this probably about a 4.2. I normally like to see a 4.4. They're not bad. They'll work, but I don't know how long they'll last. But they were very cheap. So if you're looking for something like this, I think this will be perfect. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.